Latest from Jammu and Kashmir, the situation in Kiran sector still remains tense as the army operations enter 14th day. Fierce gun battle is still on with the terrorists as the Indian army is working day and night to foil terror designs that are engineered by Pakistan.
Meanwhile, despite evidence of the Pak-backed activities, Pakistan has denied all allegations and termed them baseless. Aditya Rajkol gets you all the details.
Gun battle in Kiran sector in Kupwara district enters day 14. With the army launching massive operation to flush out infiltrators from the area.
How difficult it has been for the army army troops basically to actually move in that rugged terrain, dense forest. In fact, the weather also not really helping the army in the anti-infiltration operations that have been launched. The elite troops, of course, were pressed in earlier. Also, the army has been confirming that they have their eye on the infiltrations near the LOC.
Sources are telling your channel that the intelligence reports suggest that more terrorists wait to infiltrate into the Indian side. Army generals now take stock of the dangerous situation.
There have been specific intelligence inputs of likely infiltration by terrorists. Since then, there have been 4 desperate attempts of infiltration in this sector, which started on 23rd of September.
Over the last 13 days, there have been reports of Pakistan's hand in the terror attacks, with intercepts clearly exposing Pakistan's hand in coordinating the attacks. But despite this, India's neighbor remains defiant.
All this narration, all this that you are hearing about incursions and infiltrations is baseless.
Pakistan has been under denial mode. Salman Bashir, the Pakistan High Commissioner, has actually come out saying that the cross-border terrorism is not as important because the Pakistani state itself is encountering terrorism.
With Pakistan's doublespeak being exposed time and again, will India, instead of remaining a mute spectator, retaliate this time? Bureau Report, Times Now.